Hello everyone, welcome to the SAM, that is Study Art Motivation and Education, and in this video we are going to discuss about the generations of the amalgam. For NEET MDS you have to remember this. So अगर हम इसकी बात करें, so there are 6 generations in amalgam. So the first generation is the binary generation. इसमें आपका silver and stannum होता है. Second generation में you have silver, stannum, zinc and the copper. Now third generation, here you have the eutectic alloy, and it is very most commonly asked question ki eutectic alloy belongs to which generation of the amalgam. So it belongs to the third generation of the amalgam, and here you have the silver stannum plus silver copper, and it is used as a strong filler. The silver and the copper used as the strong filler, and they increase the strength of the amalgam. फोर्थ में आते हैं, फोर्थ जनरेशन इज हाई कॉपर एलॉय. अगेन इंपॉर्टेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन इन नीट एमडीएस की फोर्थ जनरेशन ऑफ amalgam is called, it is the high copper alloy. Here you have the alloy plus 29% of the copper, very important. Then you have the fifth generation which has alloy plus indium, where indium as act as a scavenger. सिक्स जनरेशन में आपका आ जाता है alloy plus palladium या gold या फिर platinum. So these are the 6 generations of the amalgam. I hope this video helps you in your academics, and if it does then I would be really grateful. Also the book I am referring here is Dental Pulse, and currently मैं Dental Pulse ही ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ रही हूँ because of my preparation of NEET MDS. So, and I'm not making notes, I'm only referring to the Dental Pulse, and that's why I'm making videos from the Dental Pulse. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you in your academics, and let me know in a comment section what all topics you want me to cover so that I can make videos out of them. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep subscribing.